Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 4 divided by 1 is equal to 4. Then again 4 divided by 1 is equal to also 4. Now 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So here is one division, here is division, and here is division. So all have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. Okay. So is equal to 4 divided by 1 is equal to 4 divide 4 divide 1. Now 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1 divide 1. So now 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so this answer is correct. Okay, this step is correct. Okay, answer is both correct. If you solve this type, 4 divided by 1, 4 divided by 1, then 4, 4, then 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. But this step is correct. Okay. So if you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.